Good day students, and welcome to example number 6 for week 8. So for this week we are using the sweep feature as mentioned in the previous videos as well. So this example is very easy. It's a Allen key, so it's just a polygon swept along a line. So I'm going to start by creating that polygon. So my sketch will be on the front plane. So you see Z going upwards, X going to the right. So that is the front plane. Z and X, so on the front plane. Then I'm going to add my polygon feature. Hopefully all of you by now know where the polygon feature are on your on NX. So my point will be that sketch origin. The number of sides is 6 sides, so I can just change that to 6, and then you'll see that my radius is 2.5 millimeters. So I can change that to 2.5, and then I just need to zoom in, and then it is oriented at let me just see, so the sharp points are upwards, so then I can just rotate it, and you'll see that the rotation is at 0 degrees. um, just want to see, yeah, so that's correct. It looks like that line is a bit skew, but if I compare it to something vertical on my computer, you can see that it's vertical. Let's just make sure of that. Yeah, so now it's vertical. My sketch is fully constrained, so I can just finish that sketch. And now you saw that it's swept along a line. That line is 80 millimeters long to that side and 30 to that side, so I'm just going to create another sketch on my top view. So create a sketch on my top view. It goes 80 millimeters, so now it's important you see that line starts at my origin, and that's quite important. So it goes 80 millimeters high, and then just 30 millimeters to the side. Just want to make sure. 30 millimeters, angle of 0 degrees. And then there's also a fillet of radius 5 in there, so I can just use my fillet feature and insert a radius of 5. Okay, so that line is the line along which I'm going to sweep this polygon to create that Allen key. So now you go to surface and then swept. My surface or my curve which I want to sweep is that polygon, so I'm going to select that polygon, and then my guideline will be that line there, and then it should create your swept curve, yeah, like that. So you see a link is created. I can just click OK, hide the sketches, and there it is. So that is yeah, quite an easy example, or actually a very easy example. So once again, just assign a material. So menu tools, materials, assign material. Click on the part on which you want to assign it. The material is steel in this example, and then you can go to analysis and measure. Right click, select from list, and then solid body, and then just remember to show the values that you have measured. Okay, so very easy example. The sweep feature can be used to create more complex examples or models, but yeah, this is the basics of the sweep feature. You create a curve, and then you create another curve along which you want to sweep that curve. Thank you for watching this video.